Hi everybody. So I made it to Denver. I am in Glendale at a Hampton in Glendale, Colorado. It's right outside of Denver a little bit. And I've met up with my flamingo friends, and now we are getting ready to go to Fort Morgan to investigate that little town. Fort Morgan is about an hour outside of Denver. They're just a little small country town, and they were struggling. And then HGTV Hometown put out a contest for little communities to have their town revitalized, and Fort Morgan won the competition. So now last year HGTV, two teams, if you ever watched that show, two teams, one from Texas and I can't remember where the other team is from. They came to this little town, Fort Morgan, and did some renovations. They renovated front storefronts, inside the storefronts, cafes. They did some community work and revitalized outside, helping to try to increase their tourism. So we're gonna go check it all out and let you see what's happening. So let's get into it.
This is the first thing you will see when you're driving into Fort Morgan, is this silo with this huge mural on the side. And see that lure? It is 3D.
So we're in Fort Morgan and we are stopped at Jazzy's Cafe for lunch. This is one of the cafes that the Hometown Makeover did. This is where they have the swings and stuff. This town is really super cute. I am really impressed on how clean it is and just how nice this little town is. So let's go in and see what we're all about. I never dreamed when I watched them put these up, I would be sitting here. Yep, we do.
Hi, I'm Julie. This is Jazzy Cafe.
Speak up.
I don't know what to say.
Just tell us a little bit about your shop and what they did to it.
We got renovated by HGTV last year. And it's been really exciting to come and meet everybody that's come from out of town. So come on by and check out our new menu and everything in town that they did.
All the food was absolutely delicious, very freshly made. So it's just a great little spot. And we were just so glad we were able to come and visit you. So, thank you. So Chris, tell us a little bit about your store.
Sure, we are a commercial print shop primarily, but since that's kind of boring and stuff we do in the back, our front of our shop is more fun stuff. It's Colorado stuff, it's stuff advertising Fort Morgan. A lot of our products are made in Colorado, so you see spices on the shelf. They're from somewhere here in Colorado. Our wine mixes are Colorado. Jewelry is made here in Estes Park. We just love Colorado. We love everything about Colorado. We love Fort Morgan, and we just want to share our love of our community and our state with everybody else.
And just say the name of your store again.
We're Impressions by Bird in Fort Morgan, Colorado.
Thank you so much.
Gotcha. Thank you.
We're definitely coming back to get shirts. I just can't. This is just such a cute little store. Well, our time in Fort Morgan here is done. We didn't get to see everything we wanted to do, but we found this great mural here. This is a great little town. It had great bones way before HGT came into town. So this is a great little town. If you ever think about coming out to visit, make sure you stop and say hi. On to the next. Until next time.